This video is going to show you how to use the Sphere software that is compatible with your AverVision document camera. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you have the software installed on your computer. If you don't, here's how you find it. Just go to google.com and type in Sphere software AverMedia. And you're going to want to look for something that says something with downloads. Once you click on that link, maybe you get taken to a page that looks like this. You want to make sure you're looking for software that is for your classroom. And here's the link for the Sphere software. Now I do want to point out that the Sphere software is not compatible with every model of AverVision document camera. So if you don't see yours listed here, we're going to have to find an alternative method for you. If you're on a Windows computer, you click this tab. If you're on a Mac, you click this tab. And all you have to do is click on the link to download and install the software for Sphere. You guys all know how to walk through the steps to do this, and I'm giving you permission to install Sphere on your school laptop. I also want to point out the user's manual, which is right here. There's a link on the Windows side and also on the Mac side. This was really helpful for me even in getting started with the Sphere software. I liked that it gave me good screenshots on what all of the menu items did, and even working through how to use the software. It was really, really helpful. So that's a great place to start. Once you have the Sphere software installed, you want to make sure that you have your document camera plugged in so that it will recognize that you are actually using a document camera. So you'll notice right now I've opened up the Sphere software and it is showing my document camera image. So I'm just going to show you a few things that you can do in Sphere. I'm going to click here on menu. This is where you can click if you want to annotate over the image that's being shown under the document camera here. You can also go into presenter mode, which allows you to spotlight areas of your document. Here's the X to close that. And also use the visor just like you would on your notebook software, where you can move this over and reveal certain parts. This is what you click on if you want to record a video. When you click on it, it begins recording in your Sphere software. And you'll notice it says click to stop when you're finished. And we'll talk about saving and publishing in just a little bit. If you click on capture, this allows you to just snap a still image. So you can snap a full screen view, which takes a picture of everything that you see here, or you can just snap what's under the document camera. So for example, if I put my hand here, it took a picture of that. Or you can do a time lapse. So if you wanted to have a picture taken at intervals under your document camera here, if you wanted still images of your instructions or the solving of a problem or whatever, you can set that up. But I think the coolest part about the Sphere software is this split screen. So when you click on this, let me show you what your options are. Right here you have different configurations for your screen. And here's your key for what's your document camera, what's being shown on your computer's webcam if you have one, and media, which we'll talk about in just a second. So I'm going to go ahead and put some information underneath my document camera, and I'm going to show you what happens when I click on this option. So you'll notice it is connecting actually to my webcam. So not only could you be giving instructions to your students underneath your document camera, they can actually be seeing you face to face. So I think it's the next best thing to being there with them in person. You also have the option right here of choosing to put some media underneath or beside your document camera. So let me show you. In your media library, here are all of the images that I took, the still images. So if I wanted to show them some instructions that I had taken earlier, I can double click on this image and it put that still image right underneath the image, the webcam that I'm talking to right now. You can move these around in different configurations for whatever works best for you. Okay, so now let's talk about recording a video. Let's say you have your instructions are your still image down here, bullet points or whatever. You're working through what you want your students to do over here underneath your document camera. You're ready to record and produce a video. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to my main menu here, and I'm going to click on record. And this is going to start recording an instructional video in Sphere. So, hi guys, this is an instructional video for Sphere. This is a test. You notice when I click on stop, it pulls up this little mini box. So I'm going to change the file name to test for Sphere. And I'm also going to change my title to the same. The title is what's going to show up in either Dropbox or YouTube or wherever I decide to house my videos. You can type in your name if you want. This is all personal preference, a description. I like this too. I could actually set this to publish, say, next Monday. So if I knew I was going to be out on Monday, or if I didn't want the students to see this until a particular time, you can actually set that to roll out. Now I'm going to give you my advice here. With your brenhamk-12.net account, you get a YouTube account. You get a YouTube channel. In my opinion, that is the best place to house all of your instructional videos, your flipped classroom lessons, whatever. So when you click on this little box next to YouTube, it's going to ask for your YouTube username and password. Let me show you how to find that, because I actually had to go look that up. So I'm going to come back over to Chrome, and I'm going to go to YouTube, and I'm already logged in with my brenhamk-12.net account right over here. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go right here to my channel. If you've already set up your channel, you had to choose a username. So here is mine, J. Johnston BISD. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to come back over to Sphere, and I'm going to paste that in as my username. And then I'm going to type in the password for my brenhamk-12.net account. When I click on OK, it authenticated my account, and you see it puts this little green check mark here. So I click on Save, and it automatically uploads my Sphere video to my brenhamk-12.net YouTube account, and I'll get an email saying that congratulations, your email is published and ready to be viewed. I hope this has been useful for you. I really do think that the Sphere software can be awesome, especially for the flipped classroom model. Good luck, and ask your instructional technology specialist if you need any help. This video is going to show you how to use the Sphere software that is compatible with your AverMedia document camera. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you have the software installed on your computer. If you don't, here's how you find it. Just go to google.com and type in Sphere software AverMedia. And you're going to want to look for something that says something with downloads. Once you click on that link, maybe you get taken to a page that looks like this. You want to make sure you're looking for software that is for your classroom. And here's the link for the Sphere software. Now I do want to point out that the Sphere software is not compatible with every model of AverMedia